In this training module, we'll walk through the steps necessary to install an L230 that is connected via Ethernet to the host PC. Multiple L230 or L130 devices can be installed in the same way with up to 30 users sharing a single host computer. Before starting your installation, make sure you have everything you'll need, including the L230 or L130 kit. Make sure you have all the right peripherals necessary for each station, including monitors, native PS2 keyboards and mice, and speakers. For the L230, you may also have a microphone and or USB flash disk. Be sure to use native PS2 keyboards and PS2 mice, since the use of USB to PS2 adapters is not recommended. Also, if you're using speakers, please ensure that these have built-in amplification, as otherwise the volume levels may not be sufficient. You'll need a host PC with the minimum recommended specifications. You can find a chart as shown here with the latest recommended specifications at nComputing.com in the product section. For example, a 10-user L-series system should use a PC with at least a 3 GHz single-core processor or any dual-core processor and 3 GB of memory. Finally, if you need to mount the unit to the back of an LCD monitor, you'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. Now you're ready to check the contents of your L230 or L130 kit and start the installation. Before installing your L-series system, make sure your package contains everything you'll need. For example, an L230 kit includes the access device, one Cat5 cable, a monitor mounting kit, power adapter, power cable, the installation software CD, and documentation. Start by connecting the peripherals at each station to the L-series access device. For the user running on the host PC, connect those peripherals directly to the ports on the PC. Next, connect each access device to the network using the provided Cat5 cable. If you need to use a longer cable, any standard Cat5, Cat5e, or Cat6 cable is fine. Note that your network connection may be directly to a local network switch or to a network wall outlet that routes to a network switch in your data center. Finally, connect the power adapter and power cable to the access device. Next, you'll need to power on each device and configure its network settings. Let's take a closer look at these steps. When you power on your L-series access device, you'll see this screen. Click on the Options button and then on Setup. In the Network tab, you can select whether you wish to use a dynamic or static IP address for the access device. Simply select the option appropriate for your network environment, enter the IP address and gateway if you selected the static option, and then click on Save. To set the resolution used for this access device, click on the Options tab. Select from the available resolution, color depth, and refresh rate options, and then click on OK. And finally, click on Save. This completes the basic configuration of your access device. You can repeat these steps for each additional access device that you wish to connect. Now connect the host PC to the same network as the access devices and proceed by installing the host software. Let's take a closer look at these software installation steps. When installing the nComputing virtualization software for the first time, we recommend you refer to the detailed user's guide available online at nComputing.com under Support and Downloads. The user's guide is also provided on the installation CD. It provides click-by-click instructions on how to install the virtualization software on the host PC. We'll summarize the basic steps here, but be sure to refer to the user's guide for details. Insert the installation CD in the host PC and select Install Program. At this point, if your host PC is connected to the Internet, you may be prompted to download a newer version of the software from the nComputing FTP site. We recommend to always use the newest version. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It will walk you through several steps, including acceptance of use and license agreements, creation of an administrator's password, installation of the software, and the addition of new users. Finally, at the end of the software installation, reboot the host PC for all changes to take effect. You're now ready to log in to the host PC from the access device. Simply click on Refresh or cycle power to the device, and then you will see the host PC in the list. If you have more than one host PC, these will show up in the list as well. Simply select the desired host, click on Connect, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Windows session. Once all of your access devices have been connected to the host PC, proceed with online product registration. This step is very important because it ensures that you get the latest product updates and support. Simply launch the NCT 2000 XP Internet Registration Program from the Windows Start menu, enter your administrator password, and follow the on-screen prompts. For instructions on offline registration procedures, please refer to the User's Guide. An optional way to install your L230 or L130 is to mount it to the back of a VISA standard LCD monitor. Let's walk through the steps necessary to do this.
The nComputing L230 and L130 come with a unique mounting bracket kit that lets you mount the devices to the back of standard LCD monitors. Today's monitors come with VISA standard mounting holes that make it easy to do this. Let's take a look at how it works. First, remove the plugs that are commonly blocking the holes in the back of the monitor. This is quite easy to do with a simple screwdriver. Next, line up the bracket with the holes and install the screws that are provided. Next, simply align the keyholes with the tabs on the bracket and snap it into place. Now it's off the desktop and you've removed the clutter. Now in some environments such as schools and internet cafes or kiosks, you may want to use this retaining bracket to keep end users from tampering with the devices. Simply line it up and install the 4 provided screws in each corner. And that's it.
This completes the installation of an L-Series system. Should you encounter any issues along the way, you can refer to the support section of our website for troubleshooting information, frequently asked questions, and a user forum. If you need further assistance with a specific issue, you can fill out an online tech support request form and our technical support team will address your issue. Thank you.